Okay, so here you have some area and perimeter of compound shapes. So compound shapes are made up of one or more rectangle or square or maybe even a triangle at times. So we want to work out the area and perimeter of each of the following shapes. Watch out for shapes that can be made within the picture to make the question easier to understand. Okay, so this isn't a full rectangle, alright, but it is made up. Now you can do this a couple of ways, but it's made up of, well, there's one rectangle here. So if I continue that line there across, now I have two rectangles. So I have rectangle A and rectangle B. So the first thing I'm going to do, how will I find the area of A? Well, the area of a rectangle is length by width, which in this case, the length of A is 14 and the width is 7. So 14 centimeters multiplied by 7 centimeters is equal to, on your calculator, 98 centimeters squared. But that only includes A. So now I'm going to get the area of part B. So the little small rectangle at the top. Length by width again. Now we know the length is 5 centimeters, but we have a problem finding the width. So this is 7. So from here to here is 7. So what's 9? Take away 7 is 2. So what's 5 times 2 is 10 centimeters squared. Okay, so that involves splitting up the shape a bit into two rectangles. Now to find the perimeter, we need to add up all the sides. So for the perimeter then, we need to add all sides. Okay, so the first one I'm going to start with is 7 centimeters plus, next one is 14 plus 9 plus 5. Now, what did we say this little bit here was going to be? So 9 was the long bit. Take away the bit we know is 7. So that leaves plus 2. And we have this last bit to do the same. So we know it's 14 the whole way across. This little bit is 5. So what's 14 take away 5 gives us 9. And when we add those all up, 7 and 14 is 21, and 9 is 30, 35, 37, 37 and 9 is 46 centimeters. So that's the perimeter. Now you're going to do the same with each of these. So you can do it either way. This one I'll split down this way here, but you could go across. Well, again, I'll go A and B. So first one is to find the area of rectangle A. So length by width again, which is 65 millimeters multiplied by 15 millimeters, and use your calculator. 65 times 15 is 975, and this time it's in millimeters squared. And the next bit then is to find the area of B, which is equal to 10 by 30, so 10 millimeters by 30 millimeters, which is 300 millimeters squared. So the total area here then will be 975 plus 300, which is equal to 1275 millimeters squared. So that's the total area, right? Now we're going to find the perimeter. So again, for the perimeter, I want to add all the sides. So the perimeter I'm going to start this time, I'll start here with the 30 plus 10 plus, what's this bit here going to be? Well, if the total length is 30, and I know this bit is 15, so 30 take 15 means that this is 15. So plus 15, plus 65, plus 15 again. And what's going to be the total length across the top will be the 10 plus the 65, which gives 75. So 30 and 10 is 40, 55, 120, 135, 210 millimeters is the perimeter. Okay, so that's question 2. Now you're on to question 3. Now this one is like your stairs at home, or like steps maybe into a house or something like that, okay? So how do we go about solving this one? Well, what I would do here is I'm going to split this one up into little rectangles. So now I have A, B, C and D. So I'm going to find the area of 4 little rectangles. So the first one I'm going to find the area of. Area is length by width, so 2 centimeters by 2, which gives me 4 centimeters squared. B is going to be, well, we're adding on 1, so 2 plus 1, this will be 3. So 3 centimeters by 2 centimeters across is 6 centimeters squared again. Now we'll do C. We're going up 1 more. So 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4 centimeters. Multiply that by 2 centimeters across is 8 centimeters squared. And the last one, D, 2 and 1 is 3, 4, 5. So it's going to be 5 centimeters multiplied by the width is 2, which is 10 centimeters squared. So the total area will be equal to 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10, which is equal to 28 centimeters squared. Okay, now you could do that splitting rectangles this way. Okay, so if you were to do that, then you'd have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So the first rectangle, this length here would be 8 centimeters, you see. So you could do it either way and you won't be wrong, but you should end up with 28 as your answer. Now we're also asked to find the perimeter here. So the perimeter is going to be 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2. Now, what's the total height here? 1 and 2, 3, 5 centimeters. Plus the last one, what's the total width across? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 8. So I'm going to get the total perimeter 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 18, so 26 centimeters is the perimeter. Okay, so I hope that helps to understand how to do those questions.